demonstrating how to put a dimmer on your existing LED lights. This is an LED dimmer here. You can just get this from an electrical wholesaler like this, and the knob can be removed. Okay. And then you just need a 2-gang plate here. So that'll be, this single gang plate will be replaced with a 2-gang. The light switch will go here. I'll be able to pop this light switch out and pop it in here, and then put the dimmer in here. If this existing switch doesn't fit in the plate, you can always change this switch for one that matches this plate, okay? Sometimes you can actually buy these plates with the switches already in it, same as that. And then you just remove this switch and then pop your dimmer in through the back. Power off. Normally your light circuit is on a 10 amp circuit breaker, okay? Just like this one here. If you're not confident that you've isolated your light circuit, just turn every single one off, okay? You might have fuses, so just pull all your fuses out. So what you want to do is remove your old switch first. Okay, just be careful removing the cover, because they paint around it sometimes and you don't want to flake off the paint, so just grab a Stanley knife or a sharp blade and cut around. Grab your Phillips head screwdriver or flathead screwdriver, whatever screws you got in here, and remove them. Flick your lights on and off all throughout the house, because you don't want to disconnect these wires and them still be live. Okay. I can actually test this light switch for power, because I've got a common, which is a hard active here, and a neutral. So I've always got power at this light switch, all right, and a neutral to test too. Okay, so if you've got a similar situation to this, just grab a multimeter, all right. It's always best to use a multimeter, put it on AC. Just put one pin in your neutral, connector there, one in your common. You should read 0 volts. So what you want to do is pop this switch mechanism out. Just get your screwdriver in there and pop it out, like so. So then on the back here, you'll have your common, which is that one there, the middle one. Then you'll have your 1, your 2, and your loop. Now your loop is sometimes where your neutrals go, but if you've got a lot of neutrals, they can go in a connector rather than the loop. So we're just focusing on the common and the 1, because we've got nothing in the loop. The 2 is for like a 2-way circuit and things like that. All right, so you just want to disconnect the cable in number 1, like so. Remove him. Grab your dimmer without the knob on it. Put one tail in the number 1, like so. Okay. And because the looping terminal is a dead terminal, nothing gets switched through there. You can put your dimmer and your switch wire to your light in that terminal, okay? You can also join these in a connector if you've already got something in your looping terminal. If you're unsure which one the looping terminal is, it's got little letters on the back. You can see a little L, and then you can also see a number 1, a little C, and a number 2. So put the switch wire to your light in your loop. Give your dimmer. Okay, just do it up. Okay. So the way this works, the power flows through into your common, right? When you turn the light switch on, it switches between common and 1, so the power flows to the 1 terminal, flows through the dimmer, then back out of the dimmer, and it joins with your switch wire that goes to your light, okay? So once you've got this wired up, just grab your 2-gang plate. Just remove the cover off the front. Pop your dimmer on the right or the left, doesn't matter, whatever you fancy. Clip it in there like that. Put your switch mech back in here, like that. And then there'll be writing on the bottom of the switch there. So the writing means in this position it's off, okay? So the writing faces down. All right, so you pretty much hook that in like that. And you just screw this back to the wall. 2-gang cover back on, like so. And just grab your dimmer knob, pop it on there. Like so. And that's it. So that's how you change a single gang switch to dim your lights with a dimmer.